Cold open. Pyongyang City, the heart of North Korea, is a place of awe-inspiring sights and hidden gems. From the towering Juche Tower, offering panoramic views of the city, to the grandeur of the Mansu Hill Grand Monument, the city is a blend of modern and traditional elements. Immerse yourself in the city's culture at the Korean Central History Museum, or feel the pulse of the city at the bustling Kwangbok Street. Pyongyang's nightlife is vibrant, with the Taedong River offering a serene backdrop to the city's bustling life. Experience the thrill of sports at the Ryugyong Mayday Stadium, the world's largest stadium by capacity. Or take a journey through time at the Victorious War Museum, reflecting on the city's resilient past. Pyongyang City, a blend of the old and the new, the serene and the bustling, the traditional and the modern, is waiting for you to discover its secrets. So, are you ready to explore the heart of North Korea? Remember, every journey starts with a single step. Make that step today and uncover the hidden beauty of Pyongyang City. Life and Travels 5, bringing the world closer to you.